Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, TCL 403, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not responding. So, if you have this problem after your device has fallen, so unfortunately maybe I can't help you because maybe it's because your screen is damaged, and in this case I can't help you. But if you have the problem when just system is not responding, and because of it screen is not responding too, so I can help you. To do it, firstly we need to take the battery out from our device. To do it, we need to take off the cover. You can do using your nails without any tools. And as you can see here we have the battery. And now we just need to remove the battery from our device. 1, 2, 3. And cool. Now just insert the battery again. Close the cover. Press on all sides to close the cover on your device. And press and hold power button until you will feel vibration. Release power button and wait. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.